Hey, welcome to this video from Doctor Lock. So we've just come to an FG and we'll just open the car, and basically what's happening is when you put the key in, it doesn't always start, so the switch on the ignition is no good. So let's just try it, and of course it will start straight away, and it does that time. But what we're going to do is we're going to repair it in a way that it always turns on. Okay, we'll get into it. Okay, we'll just try it in the car, just unlock the car. I actually have tested it already, so we'll just try it. Yeah, I guess this isn't a very good video because it worked the first time anyhow, but I have tried it. It's now 4 times, so that's fixed. This is an FG May 2011. So all done. Thanks for watching.